Hi everyone, I'm Diana, welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, this is like the coziest place ever. Look, so peaceful here. It's a really cute garden and I brought my swimsuit, so I might also take a swim down in the sea. So Sweden is pretty nice after all, even if I miss Madeira, of course.
La verdad tiempo me compré un Rolex. La plata no es felicidad, pero invierto en Forex. Me confundo a quien amar, a quien mandarle flores. Tener uno, tener más amores. Tenemos hielo, no estamos allá. Un doctorado, los tonidades, Dios es muy grande, es la que hay. Lo más que quiero es la salud de mi madre. No le doy su ticket y no se repite. Dice que me la dan, al menos no quite.
Seem like every captain gotta maintain the cap. You can make change, don't change for that. Tell the whole truth, get paid for that. Bet you never fall off, you was made for that. You gotta be who you really be, shine from the inside. Cause they ain't really who they say on the outside. You gotta be who you really be, shine from the inside. Cause they ain't really who they say on the outside. Slide around the city with my day one. I ain't gotta worry cause they A1. Wasn't in the field then you can't come with us. My little shawty going stupid, going straight dumb. With us I'm a big time, still humble in the hood. Gotta keep it positive on nothing but the good. When I'm on vacation I be stunting like I should. Got a real queen falling, she gon' stumble on the wood. And I still be doing business with my brother down. And I know that if I got it I'ma cover them. And I know that if I need it they gon' give it back. Gotta practice what you preachin', I be living that. Taking trips round the globe, bringing game back. Touchdown hood, happy that I came back. Take a photo with my granny for the memories. And if it's for a good cause, I'm buying 10 of these. Seem like every captain gotta maintain.
Okay, so I'm gonna start with the cake. It will look like this. So let's see what I will need. Flour, chocolate powder, sugar, eggs, butter. Mis manos rompiendo la liga. La meta la tenemos fijo,
sean de plata, yo de niveles. Como el dicho, la verdad lo que más duele. Oh no, ¿cómo va? Baby, mucha envidia y no hace nada. Me dicen la loca por tener mis sueños, por negar que alguien vaya a ser mi dueño. Pero que me toca hacer dueña lo mío. Déjenme sola si no quieren lío. Yo les doy su ticket y no se repite. Dicen que me la dan, al menos no quiten. Oh yeah, no los autorice. Oh yeah, la que tenga mi familia. Que Dios me dio ganas de vida. Mis panas rompiendo la liga. La meta la tenemos fija. La que tenga mi familia. Que Dios me dio ganas de vida. Mis panas rompiendo la liga. La meta la tenemos fija.
Okay, so these are all the dry ingredients: wheat flour, salt, vanilla sugar, and chocolate powder. So we have the dry ingredients, just shake in the oven, and we have our egg and sugar mixture, which should look a bit like this. I don't know if you can see, but it's a bit fluffy. We have the melted butter, we have this, and we have this.
Solo apostar en lo que es 100% cierto. Ahora como lo que quiero, mi plata cubiertos. Y los míos comen aunque no tengan abiertos. El hambre ya está muerto. Yo le doy su ticket y no se repite. Dicen que me la dan, al menos no quiten. Oh yeah, no los autorice. Oh yeah, desde que tengo a mi familia.
Que Dios me dio ganas de vida.
Mis panas rompiendo la liga.
La meta la tenemos fija.
Desde que tengo a mi familia.
Que Dios me dio ganas de vida.
Mis panas rompiendo la liga.
Hi guys, today I'm going swimming. I put on this super cute skirt, have a huge bag with towels, bathing suit and everything. I'm going out with my dad and my brother, and we're going out to a really nice place to swim, sunbathe and just enjoy what might be the last day of the Swedish summer. So let's go.
I don't know if I can make it when I walk alone. Uh-oh, can somebody come and save me? I just wanna know, I wanna know. If I could run through the fire, I could conquer the night. If I can make it, if I try to draw the red lights. I don't know if I can make it when I walk alone. I'm not gonna lose myself. I'll be standing high and I'll win the fight. Not gonna lose myself. And I wanna know, yeah, I wanna know. I could run through the fire, I could conquer the night. If I can make it, if I try to draw the red lights. I could just stay the same or be winning the game. I'll be standing high and I'll win the fight.
I came straight through the dirt, my sleeves pulled up and my head held high. No shirt, no shoes, but a beating heart, and I made sure that my tongue was tied. Try to shut up and just put up with all the lies they told. Guess this is what it's like when you grow up. I'm feeling old. Some say it's normal when you get formal. It comes with age, what a mistake. Cause when I was a kid I dreamt of something greater, like standing on a stage and hearing all those people shout my name. But now I'm hanging low and looking for someone to blame. So
I'm not gonna